Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting day. I'm in a different filming location. I am in my spa space and we're going to be doing our monthly BoxyCharm review. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And let's get into January's box. Here's January's box. What is BoxyCharm? BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service for $27.99. You get 5 full-size items. You can subscribe to BoxyLuxe and Premium once subscribed to the base box. Thank you BoxyCharm for gifting me January's box. Let's get right into it. Here's the card. This month's theme is So Fresh and So Clean. And let's get right into it. So the first item we have is by Allure Beauty. Oh, it's a palette. Here it is, Sweet Escape palette. This retails for $42. Send yourself on a sweet escape. Come into my spa for another sweet escape as well. Here's the palette here. Oh, it actually matches my room. Look at this. Here's the palette here. Very pretty. I like frequent flyer. This purple here is very nice. This is really pretty to do a look with. Hi everybody, welcome back. So, like an idiot, I did not press record, so I have to finish showing you what I got in my monthly BoxyCharm for January. The only thing I got to show was my palette. So the other items in here is by Earth Harbor Naturals, the Nebula Clarity Ampoule. It's a serum for your face. The bottle of this is really pretty. I'm gonna show it to you. Look at the bottle, it's really nice. So as I was saying, this is a serum that will help give you a nice glow on your face with also a clarifying agent. So that's really good for the skin, and this retails for $46. The next item is by Persona Cosmetics, and that is it's right here, and it is a tinted lip balm. I did post all these on my Instagram, so you can go check it out at Nerissa. Here it is here, and we will put it on. I did some extractions. I had some comedones. That's what you're seeing right there. So this is the color here. It's in the color Manifest, because it's the new year, so you want to manifest new things, new beginnings for the new year. This retails for $22. The next item is by True Luscious Angel Eyes Primer. It is right here. I'm always excited to use a primer because it helps your eyeshadow stick and stay on. Oh, it's in a purple tube to match the card, which is really nice. This also retails for $22. It's a hydrating eye primer that locks your eyeshadow and concealer for a crease-proof, no smudge wear up to 16 hours. That's really good because once you put your makeup on during the day, you want it to last all day. So any kind of eye primer is great for your eye makeup. And the last item is by Shayna B. Miami. It is a cream blush. It's right here. This retails for $18. Ultra velvety cream blush that gives you natural looking flush. I'm gonna open it and show you. Here it is here. I love the packaging on it. It's really cute. I'll show you the color. Oh, it has a little mirror inside of it. Here is the color here. Kind of like a rosy tone kind of color. The problem with cream blushes with me, they don't really work that well as much as powdery blushes because I do have combination skin, so cream blushes don't work the best for me. But I do love the packaging on this. And again, I'm sorry my video got cut off. I don't know what I did when I was in my studio, so I am here at home in a different filming location from my regular studio. But I just wanted to come back here and share everything that I got with you guys. Thank you BoxyCharm for gifting me January's box. so fresh and so clean. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will be posting more on my TikTok and Instagram as the weeks come. I'll be posting more here on my channel too. It's just been a struggle because the new year, trying to get into the new year and finding time to film, it can get so overwhelming sometimes. I need to find the time to do it. So before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. Alright everybody, I will see you later. Good night. Bye. So we have my little friend Leo here. He is my sweet boy. He's in his 20s. So he's been with me since I was in high school. And he can see himself, so that's what he's looking at. I've had him for a very long time, and he is my sweet little boy. He just wanted to come and say hello. Say hi. Hi. Oh, say hi everybody. Yay. So everybody, these are my two birds. I'm going to show you the other one in a second. Say hello. Oh, you're so pretty. Yes. Oh, you like to be on camera. Oh, okay, yes. You see yourself. How fun. Maybe we'll do some more bird videos or something. Yeah? You want to do bird videos? Okay, let's go get your brother. And this is baby Cal. He's about, how old are you now? Oh, there he goes. Yeah, he got scared. But he's about 5 years old now. Because we had a... 6 years old. Because we had another boy. He sadly passed away. And then Leo Bird, as I just showed you, he was lonely. So we ended up getting Cal. Come back. Come. 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 This is his Jasmine friend. I imprint on things like in Twilight. So he imprinted on this when he was a baby. Let me see if I can bring him back. Okay, he came back. He's not going to stay for very long. So I just wanted to, I wanted you guys to see him. He's a lot younger than Leo. Oh, okay. Sit on my shoulder. Yeah. Say hi. Hello. Say hello. Hello. This is fun, right? Look, you're on camera. You're saying hi to all the birdie friends. Say hi, everybody. Yeah. Look, your friend. Look, your friend. Yay. Say hi. Hello. Say hello. Sweet. Sweet. Yeah. All right. Say bye, everybody. Say thank you. Thank you. Okay, bye.